guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 through 1988 GM Complete Dome Lamp Assembly Kits by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Available individually or in a complete kit, you can purchase our dome lamp assemblies to help restore your interior to factory brand new condition. Each kit comes with the dome light lens, base, bulb, and wire leads where applicable. Our bases are made from injection molded plastic using case hardened steel and finished with a chrome plating to last for many years to come. Every lens features a factory specific marking such as a starburst design for 1968 to 77 models. Our lens replacements also include the factory color keyed swatches available in eggshell, off-white, or white where applicable. The spring steel terminals are stamped to factory specifications to ensure a proper fit. Pre-installed wire leads are included to aid in your installation and allow easy connection to your existing wiring harness for your convenience. We feature, design, and tested these dome lamp assemblies on all of our in-house restoration cars. After several years, they all still look in brand new condition. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.